All right, let's see now how the review link works. So as you know, the review link is the unique link that your client has. All right, in this video, we're going to see how the review link works. So as you know, the review link is the unique link that your clients have to ask for our review to their end customers. And they simply have to go to settings, review link to start editing their review link. We have the editor here and the preview here on the right. So while your client edit the review link, they can see a live preview on the right. We have two different tabs: experience and review sites. In the experience side, in the experience tab, firstly we have to edit the logo. So your clients here have simply to upload their logo, and they will see their logo popping up here on the preview. And then we have what we call the experience filter. This is useful if your clients wants to redirect happy clients to leave a review on the public review sites and unhappy clients to leave a private feedback. By default, the experience filter is activated, and we can choose between different type of filter. Thumbs, so thumbs up goes to leave a review on public review sites, and thumbs down goes to leave a private feedback. I show you a quick demo here. So if I click here, I'm redirected to leave a public review on review sites, while if I click here, I'm redirected to leave a private feedback, which, as you know, is then be visible in the reviews feed. We can change this filter, so we can choose faces, similar functionality as thumbs, so public review, private feedback. We can choose also between stars and hearts. This works in a little different way. So we have 5 stars or 5 hearts. Who click between 1 and 3 is redirected to leave a private feedback. All right. Who click 4 or 5 star is redirected to leave public review. Same thing for heart. 1 to 3 private feedback, 4 to 5 public review on integrated review sites. And we can decide to disable the experience filter. So by clicking here, our review link becomes a unique page, all right, where we have both public review sites and the private feedbacks. So every option is in a single page. And of course, we suggest to keep the filter activated so your clients increase the possibility to get just positive reviews on the integrated review sites, while they protect their reputation from a negative reviews, because they keep negative reviews private as private feedbacks. All right, so let's move to the review sites. Here we automatically import the review sites that we have already integrated in the settings. So for example, we have integrated Google, Yelp, and TripAdvisor. So automatically we have here the links to go to leave a review on Google, Yelp, and TripAdvisor. And with these buttons here, we can decide to enable or disable a specific link. We can also add a custom integration, all right? What's a custom integration? Basically, your clients can have other review sites, so other places where they collect reviews, which are not, which they cannot integrate to the platform, but they can still add these links here. So links that redirects the end customer to leave a review on any external site that they want. So, for example, let's say that they have reviews also on Trustpilot, all right? And Trustpilot is not a platform available in your review management software, but they still want to get reviews on this platform. So they simply get the link of their Trustpilot page, they get back to the platform, they add a custom integration, they name it as Trustpilot. All right, they copy and paste the link here and they click save. And as you see, automatically we detect that this was a Trustpilot link. So we added the Trustpilot logo and also, of course, the button to leave the review on Trustpilot. And they can add unlimited custom integration. So they can keep adding also other custom integration. And with this button here, we can delete the custom integration that we previously added. And all right, so we click on save, and our review link is saved. And by clicking here, we can have a preview of the link. So we can go directly to our review link. All right. And so we can see how it works. Of course, both from desktop and from mobile. And we can test the experience.